This is Mindanao Times, bringing you today's headlines.
Today is Thursday, July 11, and this is today's headline news. Vice President Sara Duterte will skip President Ferdinand Marcos' third State of the Nation address on July 22. Her absence marks the first time she won't be attending her 2022 Running Mates annual report to the people. She would also be the fourth Vice President who won't be present at the Batasang Pambansa complex after Leni Robredo, Representative Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, and Jejomar Binay. In explaining her decision, Duterte told local reporters that she was appointing herself the designated survivor. The designated survivor is the next in succession in case the president dies or becomes incapacitated. Designated survivors distance themselves from mass gatherings in case of catastrophic events to prevent a leadership vacuum. This is the digital edition of Mindanao Times. This is Liza Mashona with reports from Roda Gray Saro. Mindanao Times. Eternal vigilance is the price of freedom.